Do you want to earn more? Of course you do. But it comes down to how much the market thinks you're worth. This is true whether you're in a service job at a fast food outlet, a marketer at a rapidly growing startup, or the CEO of a publicly traded company. It's Dr. K here, and today I want to talk to you about 5 ways to maximize your earning ability. Your earning ability is linked to the value the market places on your skills and knowledge and what you can contribute. So with this in mind, let's talk about 5 ways that you can increase your earning ability. Number 1, what are your result areas? The productivity author Brian Tracy suggests that you break down your job into 5 to 7 result areas. So for example, we'll just do 3 of them. Let's say your job includes sales, admin work, and relationships with colleagues. On that list, the admin work, as long as you get it done, will stop you getting fired. Your colleague relationships in your current company are important for medium term, maybe sometimes long term, but usually more medium term survival. But sales skills are long lasting and portable. You'll be employable anywhere if you have superior sales skills. Number 2, determine your strengths. What are you good at? And what do you have the potential to be very good at? Having a deep understanding of your own strengths is really important, because time spent developing your strengths will have a much better return on investment than time spent on things that you're mediocre at. Number 3, what are your weaknesses? When someone in a job interview asks you what your weaknesses are, you probably say things like, I work too hard, I care too much. But outside of interviews, you need to know what your actual weaknesses are. Because either they're not holding you back, and that's great, or if they are, you need to find ways to reduce their impact. For instance, if you're rude and disagreeable, find ways to be less rude and disagreeable, enough that others can tolerate you. You don't ever want your weaknesses to outweigh your strengths, as this is a quick way to be shown the door, no matter how brilliant or valuable you are. Number 4, are you unique? You may be valuable, but that's not worth much if everyone else is equally valuable. For example, a good graphic designer might still find it hard to get work because there are so many good graphic designers out there. In other words, it's good to be good, but it's better to be different. Uniqueness will mean you're separating yourself out from the competition, but be sure that your uniqueness is genuinely something that the customer values. Number 5, be the double or triple threat. The creator of Dilbert, Scott Adams, suggests that instead of trying to be in the top 1% of a particular skill, a more achievable goal is to be in the top 25% of 2 or 3 different skills. When you combine better than average abilities in 3 different skills, you can create unique and unbeatable combinations that are highly valued. Focusing on improving your skills and knowledge so that they're rare and valuable will help you to get more done, deliver more value in your day-to-day work, attract exciting opportunities, set your terms at work, and feel more satisfaction at work. So how are you going to start to improve your earning ability? If you need help on becoming more irreplaceable and valuable at work, check out my free resources. Scroll down the page to see how you can access this. And if you enjoyed this video, visit 7insights.com for more productivity tips.